Yo, Love and Vibrancy Trailheads. Today we're going to be doing a homemade hemp seed milk. I needed some anyways, and so I thought, why not make a video to show you guys how to make a healthier homemade milk option right in your own kitchen with no more than 5 items. Okay? All natural, all organic, and so this will be something to help you avoid the harmful chemicals that end up in our food products. And so enjoy this video. I love you. Peace. Okay, so what you want to do is start by adding in your spring water. I typically only make about 2 cups worth because this is for smoothies or meals within that week I make. So I only make for what I'm using. But after you add in about 2 to 3 cups of spring water, for every cup you'll want to add 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. I use organic whole hemp seeds. You can purchase these at your local store. I only have a half tablespoon, so that's why you see me pouring 2 of those. But I am going to add 4 in total since this is a half tablespoon. But again, for every cup you'll add in 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. And so 2 cups of spring water to 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Or if you only have a half tablespoon measure like me, it will be 2 cups of spring water for every 4 half tablespoons. Okay. After that, you will add a pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt. This is optional, but I do add it. And then lastly, you will want to add about a tablespoon and a half of agave syrup, just to give it a little taste. And once you do that and pop everything in your blender, we will blend this right up. There is our finished hemp seed milk, all organic. You know what's in it. Yes, no more cows, no more baby cows. We all can be. Next, you'll find something to pour your hemp seed milk in, to jar and place in your refrigerator. Yum. We don't get no better than this. Alright guys, and there you have it. Hemp seed milk, homemade, straight out your kitchen. Like I said, less than 5 items, 4 to be exact. Homemade milk, no more baby cows. You know what your milk is, you know what's in it, and it's healthy for you, a superfood, and it has tons of protein and energy for your body. So there, enjoy, love and vibrancy. Have a great one.